Can you predict your sales? Hi, my name is Himanshu Mittal and I am a sales coach. Are you hitting your numbers? Are you making enough sale in your business? Can you predict your sale numbers, your sale figures of this month? Can you predict your sale figure of this week? Can you predict your sale figures of this day? So we're gonna talk about this thing in this video. Before that, I would like to tell you that there may be two broad reasons if you are not able to hit your numbers. So number one can be capability. Capability means you don't know how to sell, right? Your sales team is not trained. You don't know the mechanism of selling. You don't understand the sales process, the sales funnel, right? And you don't know the how to pitch your product, something like that. So this comes under the competency or capability. Number two, your consistency, or what are activities you are doing. So in this video, we are not going to talk about the capability. We're going to talk about the consistency or your activities. If you're not hitting your numbers, I want to look at your activities very deeply. What are the activities you are doing daily? Mark this word daily, DAILY, in caps lock and in inverted commas. This is very important word, my friend. You have to be very serious to this word daily. Let's break down sales as a process. So when we say sales, right? So sale is entire. It is a bunch of different processes. So it includes prospecting, lead generation. It includes contacting. It includes follow-up. It includes demonstration. It includes closing. It includes customer retention. Couple of things depending upon what industry you are in, depending upon what is the role you are having in the company, right? So this process can be shorter or some longer, but on and off, this is the general process of sales. So are you making enough calls a day? Are you generating enough leads a day? By the way, if you want to master prospecting, go and read my book, Go and Grow Your Pipeline, which I've launched last week. If you have not received the book, just comment below and I will send you the book on your mail for free. Let's move forward. See, prospecting is a daily activity. You cannot do prospecting next week on Tuesday, on Thursday, 8 p.m., something like that. It should not be done. It cannot be done like that. You have to do prospecting daily. And the most interesting part is you have to block your calendar, and better you book a calendar and the first part of the day, because prospecting is the most irritating job. I'm telling you, this is the most irritating, most hardest job in sales which you will do, and you will not like to do at the end of the day because you will be exhausted and tired. So better you complete the hardest part in the first part of the day, so that now you are free of the burdens, right? You can use your day as per your wish. Now, if you are not, see, I will give you some basics of prospecting. So the thumbnail rule of prospecting is how much amount of prospecting you are doing in 30 days. This will give you results for next 90 days. If you have started doubling of generating leads, you will have double sales for next 90 days. If you have reduced your prospecting for this month, you will have reduced sales for next 3 months. So this is the basics of prospecting. Now you might have understood the importance of daily practicing, daily doing prospecting, right? Then follow up. You have to do it daily. You can't let the customer forget you. You can't let the customer, right, to vanish your image from his mind. He should remember you with your name, with your face, maybe from your mail ID, from your company name, something like that. But he should remind you that you exist on this planet, right? Demonstration. Make plan that you do demonstration regularly. I'm not saying daily. I don't know in which industry you are. Maybe you are into selling. Maybe you are an entrepreneur, maybe you are into MLM, maybe you are a trainer or coach, but this is what you have to look into. If you're not hitting your numbers, let us look at your activities of selling. Sometimes we just look at closing, but whom do we close if we don't have enough leads? We have acquired 100 leads and we try to close each and everybody. See, this is the rule that you cannot close each and every lead of yours. Remember the sales funnel, right? So these are leads and these are only small numbers which are gonna close. So just widen it. Let us have more number of leads so that you have more number of closes, right? So this is how you have to work. If you are not hitting your numbers, I'm just summing up the whole video into one line. If you're not hitting your numbers, look at your activities. Book your calendars. Make your activity happen daily. Sit with your team. Make it happen on a specific time. Let me give you another example. Let us take example, you have a appointment or you have a press conference where the entire country and the entire world is gonna see you. You have a press conference tomorrow at 2 p.m. and at that time you have got a call from your friend. Can you miss the appointment? Will you pick the call up of your friend? No, right? You will just silent your phone or you will tell him that you are busy and you can't talk now. He can call you later. Something like that, right? I want to tell you, when you booked your calendar for prospecting, when you booked your calendar for follow-up, so I want to tell you that this is the important appointment with yourself. This is the most important appointment you have booked in your life. Can you pick your call of like any random call in that period? Can you miss appointment with yourself? No, right? This is the most important call of your life. So I want you to understand this. When you book your calendar, be determined, be focused, and leave everything apart and focus on your work. If you really want to master sales, if you really want to increase your numbers, if you really want to generate money, you have to be focused on your activities of selling. You have any questions, comment below and let me know. I will try to solve in comments, or I'll try to make another video focused on your solution. And please comment below what you have learned in this video. Thank you. Bye bye.